Hi, happy October. It's Dale Corpus from eXp Realty. Well, we made it through back to school, and I hope that you're settled into whatever routine your kids are doing. So over the last several months, people have been working from home and spending way more time in their houses, and the list of people's wants and needs have changed, or things have changed in priority. For example, almost all the buyers I'm talking to say that home office is a top priority. So I wanted to share some of the changes people see as top priorities when buyers are out looking out for a new home, because regardless of whether you're thinking about selling in the near future or years down the road, some of the landscape here is going to stick around. In fact, a lot of companies have realized how efficiently their employees can work from home. So just check out the list below and let me know what I miss. So what types of things have you noticed from looking around in your house from being locked in for several months? Are you going to want to see things differently the next time you buy a house? So I would love to hear from you, and I want to know what your priorities are. And of course, if you've decided it's time to sell and buy a new home, that's what I'm here for. So just reply to this message and let me know if you have any questions or if you want to have a conversation. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.